Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Well, I'm back, as you can see, and we had a wonderful time in spite of the weather. I mean, you do know by now we suffered through Hurricane Agatha and then, I guess, Tropical Depression that became Tropical Alex. 6 days of rain. But it wasn't constant, I'll say. And some of it happened at night, so that was kind of nice. But as far as the days, yeah, it rained too much to really enjoy outside activities, because you could be sitting there 1 minute and then the next minute, I mean, it would be a downpour. And you could tell by the sky that it was not going to be a good day to be sitting out at the beach. But we were able to enjoy it, I guess, from afar. Our little restaurant had, vinyl shields, so we could still see everything, but the rain couldn't really get us, so we could sit in there and have our meals and drinks and just relax and what have you. And of course our room was wonderful. So I mean, the overall trip was great. We had sunshine the last 3 days, so that turned out really nice, and the food was excellent. So I mean, can't complain. Got plenty of rest, and I got a new hairdo while I was there. Yeah, when I had my massage there, the massage lady decided to braid all my bangs, and she did it so tight that it is still in good shape, and this is probably going on day 4. Now I can have my hair up or down, but one of the ways that I wore it a lot was up. So, and many years ago, I used to wear my hair fully French braided from the front all the way to the back, down to the back, and I think it was tucked under, but it was a very popular style in the 80s, and I wore that a lot back then. So this was kind of a nice little treat for me to have my little braided band there, I guess, of my hair. But anyways, I'm gonna get to the point of this video. I have today, that came in the mail actually yesterday, the BlackOut Baking Company. So we have our cookies for June. So we're gonna open up this box and we're going to find out what the cookie of the month is. The BlackOut Baking Company is a company that is physically in Illinois, and she has a subscription for cookies, and you can get the cookie of the month. Her name's Shanna, and she's the owner, and she started off like a lot of small businesses do in baking, just baking for her friends and PTAs and things like that. Inside the box, we just have the blackout paper there. I'm going to dig through here, and inside here we have, looks like we have a bundle. I ordered 24 cookies, so it looks like I got 2 bundles, which normally one bundle would be just 1 box, and she would have it wrapped. So she's just done it in 2, and let's see what the cookie of the month is. The cookie of the month is Peach Honey Basil Cookie. There we go. So that's what we're going to have today, and I can't wait to try them out. Now, her cookies are homemade. They've got natural ingredients in it, and that's one reason I ordered them. A small pack, if you were to just buy 1 box like this, would be, I think, $9 plus shipping. Shipping is $10, no matter how many cookies you order. And if you order the 24, which I do, normally she has a box of 24, but she may be out of her boxes, because we all know everybody's having shipping issues. But this lets me show you what you would get. In 24, it's $19, I believe. I get mine on an annual contract, so it's $17 plus shipping. Now, you do not have to subscribe to order cookies. If you want to order some of her gourmet bite-sized cookies, you can just order her regular cookies. You can get the cookie of the month for that month when you order, and you can order some chocolate chip cookies. She's got the blackout cookies that are her known cookies. And of course, she's got peanut butter and sugar cookies, and she's got some other specialties. And she's starting to do some doggy cookies. I haven't ordered those yet. But this is what it looks like when we open it up, and then we would have to open up the package. They're always sealed, and like I said, she bakes these fresh, so I ordered mine to come out the first week, which means she bakes these on Monday and ships them out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So she bakes Monday, Tuesday, and ships out. Is that right? I think so. She bakes Monday and Tuesday. So like she baked these. If she got them out Monday, I got them Wednesday. Sometimes it'd be Thursday. So I got these a little bit sooner than normal. But let's take a taste. Let's see what they look like. We can see that we've got some peach on there. And I'm sure there's some basil cooked in there. There looks to be some white drizzle across there, kind of like some icing. And their cookies are really good. They're like, they're almost the texture of a snickerdoodles, but they taste different each time because she makes them their own special flavor. Very good. I can taste the peach. And the drizzled, I guess, honey basil. That's what I'm tasting. Very good. And you can see the consistency. It's a soft cookie, but it's not mushy. And so, like I said, I always give it the consistency of a snickerdoodles because that's what it reminds me of. But they're very good. Peach honey basil cookie. And I have not had this before. I do have my dog mom cup today with my coffee. And yeah, I drink coffee all the time. Probably shouldn't, but it doesn't affect me like a lot of people. So I do not get the jitters. And I think it's because I have asthma and where caffeine actually helps you instead of hurts you. So I don't know the official name. I just know I can drink it pretty much any time of the day, and to me it's like drinking water or tea. Now I do drink lots of water, so I don't just drink coffee. Alright guys, those cookies were very good, and I'm going to show you one more. I'm not going to eat it in front of you again, but this is her peach honey basil cookie, and it's very, very tasty, and I would highly recommend them. She's got some great cookies. So I'll have her information down the bottom, and if she has any specials on her website, she will let you know. It'll probably pop up when you go on there. But again, you don't have to subscribe to get cookies from her. If you like the cookies as well as I do and you want to get some every month, then please go right ahead and enjoy that subscription. But other than that, they're just really good. And if you're having a party or something like that, it'd be perfect. Now do remember, when you order, she'll give you the order date and then the ship date. And then that way, if you've got something planned, you can plan your cookies to be there fresh for that event based on the dates that you set in. So she's real good about that. And otherwise, as far as the BlackOut Baking Cookie, that's all I have today. And it's so good to be back with you all. I'm kind of getting back into the swing of things. I'm probably going to be slow going for a little bit, so you'll see some videos here and there. They may not be every day. I have a lot to catch up on with my puppies and my dogs, and that business has a lot of ins and outs that, when you're gone for almost 2 weeks, there's going to be some catch up. So I have catch up on both ends, so to speak, because I do have a ton of boxes here just waiting to be opened. But I couldn't just let the BlackOut Baking cookies just sit there. I had to get into them because I want to enjoy them, and I always like to share the opening with all of you. And I want to thank you all. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I appreciate the time that you take to watch my videos. And I am going to have a 700 subscriber giveaway when I can get all settled and figure it all out. I do have to do some catch up here. And I have giveaways, or I have collaborations and giveaways that are going to be ending at the end of this week or by June 15th. So be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are still out there. I have several surprise giveaways that I haven't closed yet, so there's plenty of opportunity to win if you want to just go down there and find out what those are and make sure that you enter them. But as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.